If your garden walls or trellises feel bare, climbing flowering vines are the perfect solution. These plants add instant color, texture, and charm. But not all vines are created equal. In this video, we'll explore 31 stunning vines that climb effortlessly, bloom beautifully, and even surprise you with their scent, speed, or hidden dangers. Stick around, you'll want at least a few of these in your garden. The apple blossom clematis kicks off early in spring with soft pink and white flowers that smell faintly of almonds. While the blooms only last a few weeks, the dark green foliage stays lush all year, making it perfect for low-maintenance beauty. But if you have dogs, be cautious, it's toxic. This cheerful climber isn't just for wildflower beds. The black-eyed Susan vine races up trellises with coral-colored daisy-like flowers and heart-shaped leaves. Fast-growing and self-seeding, it's both beautiful and borderline aggressive in the right conditions. Looking for drama? The Blue Moon Kentucky Wisteria vine delivers with massive clusters of lavender blooms, up to 3 times a year. Once it matures, it becomes a butterfly magnet, covering walls or pergolas with floral abundance. Bougainvillea doesn't mess around. With fiery bracts in pink, red, and orange, it climbs with intensity and blooms for months. Just give it sun and something to cling to, and it'll reward you with a burst of color you'll never forget. Sweet-smelling and evergreen, the Carolina Jasmine lights up early spring with golden trumpet-shaped flowers. But don't be fooled, it's dangerously toxic to pets and even bees. Plant it with care. Yes, it actually smells like chocolate. The chocolate vine grows rapidly, especially in shade, with its exotic dark purple flowers standing out against glossy green leaves. But be warned, it's invasive in many states. If you want an elegant vine for shady spaces, climbing hydrangea is your answer. It slowly climbs with aerial roots, then bursts into white lace-capped flowers in summer. And yes, it can scale 2-story walls with ease. A fast grower from seed, the cup and saucer vine opens with pale green buds that morph into purple, cup-shaped blooms. It's a bit smelly before it flowers, but worth it for the dramatic display it brings. Think feathery foliage and bright red stars. The cypress vine grows quickly and brings in hummingbirds by the dozen. Though an annual, it self-seeds and often returns, but keep it away from pets, it's toxic. Nothing looks quite as alien or as beautiful as the Empress Eugenie passion flower. Its intricate blooms smell amazing and attract both birds and butterflies. Patience is key, it takes time to establish. The false hydrangea vine is an underrated gem with soft cream flowers that love shade. It can handle nearly any light, but needs pruning and filtered sun to truly thrive. Also known as the Spanish flag, firecracker vine explodes with fiery gradients of red, orange, and yellow. It attracts pollinators and adds sizzle to any garden design. Tiny golden yellow bells dangle from the golden bell clematis, followed by feathery seed pods that look like beards. It's stunning, but its sap can irritate skin, so handle with care. For punchy hot pink that lasts all season, the high-wire flyer rose is unbeatable. It's compact, disease-resistant, and puts on a long floral show without much fuss. Deep purple flowers and pods make the hyacinth bean vine both ornamental and useful. Let the pods dry and fall, and you'll have seeds for next spring. Bright variegated leaves and edible blooms in yellow, red, and orange make the jewel of Africa nasturtium vine a showstopper. Just watch out for caterpillars, they love it too. Madagascar jasmine is a slow climber that offers pristine white, star-shaped flowers with a bridal scent. Perfect for containers, it thrives in cooler temperatures but hates the cold. Huge pink trumpet flowers make the Mandevilla Alice Dupont vine a butterfly magnet. With dark green foliage and blooms from spring to fall, it brings tropical vibes to any garden. This one is for the night owls. The Moonflower opens only at dusk, filling the air with fragrance and glowing white blooms. Magical and mildly invasive. A classic favorite, the Morning Glory climbs fast and blooms in deep purples, reds, and even variegated tones. Easy from seed, it's practically a garden staple. Soft pink, tightly packed petals and reliable growth make the New Dawn climbing rose a vintage favorite. It's fast-growing and remarkably pest-resistant. If you want velvet red flowers with impact, Rebecca Clematis delivers. Each bloom spans nearly 8 inches, making it a dramatic feature for fences and containers. The scarlet runner bean vines, scarlet blooms, and massive seed pods offer dual purpose, beauty and food. It climbs fast and provides great shade too. The sensation honeysuckle vine brings sweet perfume from spring through summer, followed by bright red berries. Unlike most honeysuckles, it won't overtake your garden. A fast climber with tiny white blooms, Snowdrift Clematis is evergreen and drought-resistant, ideal for hiding fences or adding year-round greenery. Short but fragrant, Star Jasmine covers ground or fences with glossy leaves and tiny white blooms that smell incredible, great for shaded spots. Bold red trumpet blooms with orange throats, yes please. The Summer Jazz Fire Trumpet Vine packs fiery color into a smaller package and thrives in containers. The Sweet Summer Love Clematis starts red and turns purple as it ages, fragrant and fast-growing. It's one of the most rewarding clematis varieties around. Sweet Pea Vine offers orchid-like blooms in pink, lavender, and white. Vanilla-scented and low-maintenance, it's a cottage garden favorite. The Virginia Creeper Vine turns fiery red in fall and clings to any surface. It's easy to grow and creates a living wall in no time, but don't eat the berries. Zephyrin Duran Climbing Rose is a vintage, fragrant pink rose that's perfect for pathways and arches. It tolerates heat and poor soil, and the raspberry scent, irresistible. Ready to let your garden climb to new heights? These flowering vines are your shortcut to vertical beauty. If you found even one plant today that sparked your imagination, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got plenty more garden secrets coming your way.